Hey everyone, this is John Battaglia with That East Home Inspections, and today we're doing an inspection on a brand new house in Buford, Georgia. When I'm not inspecting, I'm actually a code instructor for the Atlanta Home Builders Association, so I teach builders how to build the code. And one of my classes is just on siding and flashing, so I want to show you something today. In my class, I stress to the builders that keeping water out of a home all comes down to details. So right here we have adhered stone veneer. This is not real stone, it's manufactured or cultured stone. When we get up here to these returns right here, I'm going to show you where details can make a big difference. As you can see right here, there's openings in, and if I were to shine a light back in here, you'd see there's just bare OSB or bare wood back in these openings. One, there should be house rat back behind there that keep any water that got in there from rotting out the wood. But then secondly, we should also have this sealed up to where no water can get in there. This is a brand new house, and a couple months from now, it's the same thing over here on this side, by the way. There's gaps going back behind that return as well. But water would get down in there and rot out your sheathing or your OSB, and you start to see water coming into your garage after a couple months, and that would be a big old mess. So once again, just shows you the importance of having a good home inspection when you're buying a new property. This is going to keep the buyer from experiencing some bad issues down the road, and the builder will have a chance to fix it before they close.